Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Many of you were already having your queries on these five stocks. So let us cover them in the stock alerts, where we are going to discuss the stocks as per their charts. So here are Reliance, Infi, Page, Voltas, UPL. Their major trend would be set as per coming result, but the GDP trend, inflation trend, cost trend is already setting up the charts. So let us check. So first is here, Reliance Industry. Many of you are already holding this wealth creator. Their major sales is from oil and gas, which is holding them down. But the big company which they have started in 2006, Reliance Retail, is now taking them towards new heights. Reliance Retail and their launch of Reliance Geo is boosting them. Their target should be 2766. So these were not a new target. These were the target we set during this breakout level in 2017 when stock was trading at 800. So from 800, as per extension theory, your target was around 2700. If you consider the bullish engulfing candle few months back, we can expect the stock to trade in the range of, yeah, 1800 to 2800. So here we are towards target. We can book 5% profits if we have bought the stock during previous correction mode. So yes, 5% profit booking near 2766. No need to hurry before the target comes. Second stock here is Infi. We already saw TCS result yesterday, and as we saw in TCS, sales and profit were in line, not outstanding. Stock is already railing since long time, right? So you can even expect some correction also. It's all right. Your range this year should be 1300 to 1900. We can book 5% profits in Infosys near 1900, and we can buy during any falling opportunity near 1300 to 1400. Book 5% only near 1900. No need to hurry and book profit at current scenario. So your third stock is UPL. Yes, Infosys was the second largest company. Reliance is the largest from telecom as well as retail sector. UPL is the largest from your agrochemical sector. But yeah, UPL is a debt burden company. So this should be not be the first choice. But if you are holding UPL, it's all right. You can gain with the growth which we are seeing in agrochemical industry. Buying range should be near 666. So 666 should be your buying level. Currently also stock is in correction mode. In worst scenario, your stock could even come to 440, but that would be a very good buying level. But do not expect. Still, the whole range of 666 to 444 should be your buying level. Your target should be 1125 next year. No need to hurry booking profits. We are seeing a very high growth in agrochemical industry. So this is for UPL. Fourth stock is Page Industry. Friends, Page may not be the largest among other apparels, but it is among best from other apparels. Top companies Titan, definitely it should be a strong priority. But if you are going with Page Industry, this is also a debt-free and very good company. The buy range now, we have already initiated by near 16,000 when it was falling, but now that is a lost opportunity if you have not still added. Stock have already given the breakout, so this would be the last offer before we see a huge rally. Your target for next 3 to 5 years should be at least 1 lakh rupees. but the near term range, buy range should be 33,500 to 28,500. As stock have already given the breakout, we expect good results in coming Q2. Your near term target should be 42 43,700 in next few months. So what's your range? Your range should be 33,000 to 43,000. No need to book early profits. Even you have bought near 16, 17,000. You can book 5% at 43,700. Let it rally. Yes, a wealth creator. Fifth stock is Voltas, a wealth creator from consumer electronic company, a wonderful company, debt free, a consistent profit making company. Buying range should be near 1600, and even if it fall toward 800, which you may see in worst scenario in coming time, so don't expect 800, but still if in any case if it come below 1060 towards 800, many people would be saying stop loss aa gaya, but when their stop loss came, our buying level are coming. So be active in the range of 1060 to 800. We are going to see the rally of 1582. I hope this target next year itself. So what's your range? Your range should be 1000 to 1600 this and next year. So these were the five stocks from your stock alerts. Friends, rule of the game is buy when nobody is interested, to enjoy when all want your stocks. Disclosure: do not buy because we are saying. See, we are not a tip provider company. Why I have provided this five stock? Only so that you can adjust your research with our research, right? We may or may not have the position in about discussed stock. For example, we are not holding UPL, right? We are holding some other company like PI Industry from the same series. But as you are holding UPL, you were having queries, I have posted it in stock alert. Buy after thorough research. So this was all from our side, always with you. Profit for it. Everything, these all levels I have given from 80% potential sheet with you on your own also can check from our app. Download the app or you can directly check in at profitfromit.in. Thank you very much and best of luck to everyone. Let me again tell, we are not a tip providing company. We are just a stock market training institute. You can learn with us. Jai Hind.